In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill your rows and columns using the Google Sheets mobile app on an iPhone or an iOS device. So I have my Sheets app open on my iPhone right now, and I'm going to show you how to autofill your rows and columns. So let's start with our columns. So if you wanted to autofill your columns with a sequence of numbers, let's say we have a simple sequence of 1, 2, and 3. Here we have it. What I'm going to do to autofill the rest of, let's say, until row 15. So this column A until row 15, there we go. I've selected it from the first cell until A15 right here. So to autofill the rest of those selected cells, what I'm going to do is just tap on it again until you see these options. So we have cut, copy, autofill, and clear. So of course, we're going to be tapping on autofill, and there you have it. We've successfully autofilled the rest of our range with those simple steps. Now let's say we want to do the same thing, but with the same value. Let's try and do that with our column B right here. So I'm going to enter, let's say, some text. There we go. The simple text. There we have it. What I'm going to do is just copy that and paste. There we have it. So 2 cells with the same value. Now if I wanted to fill out the rest of my column with the same value or the same text, I'm going to do the same thing. Select from the first cell where you have those same values until the cell where you want that repeated. So again, we're just going to tap on the selected range and select the same thing, but this time we have cut, copy, paste, autofill, and clear. Again, we're just going to select autofill. And there you have it. So that's for our columns. We were able to autofill our columns right there. Now let's try our rows. So I'm going to do that right here below our columns. So what I want to do is the same thing. Put in the simple sequence of 1, 2, and 3. Let me zoom out a little. There we go. There you have it. There's my simple sequence. Now if I select from this first column, going to the right to select my row or my range, not too far so we can still see it. There we have it. And once that range is selected, again, I'm going to tap on that range until I see these options right here. So the same options that we saw a while ago. And of course, we're going to select the same thing, which is autofill. There you have it. So it has completed the sequence with the range that we have selected. Let's do that one more time again with the same value. So we're going to put in text right here. There you go. I'm just going to copy that and paste. So zoom out a little, then select that range going to the right. So that's our second row right there. We're going to autofill it with the same value. Tap on the selected range and select autofill. And there you have it. That's how simple it is. You can autofill your rows and columns with either a sequence or the same value right here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone or your iOS device. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.